Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace or change social share image in Squarespace. So simply in order to do this, just you have to visit your website. So in my case I have fashion website, so simply I have opened my website. Now I want to change the social sharing image of my website. On the left side you can see multiple tabs available here, so simply just click on the design, and after that when you open the design, here you can see in the menu section social sharing available, so simply click here. So currently I am using this image. Now I want to replace this, change this. Simply I will click on replace, and now here you can see upload file or choose from library. So currently I don't have file and library, so simply I will upload a file. Click on upload a file, and after that select the one that you want to replace. Now click on open. So now keep in mind the maximum size to upload or change a social sharing image. You have to upload maximum size of 20 MB. So here you can see our social sharing images replaced. Simply click on save button. Now go back and check it again. Simply just click on social sharing. So here you can see that we have easily replaced the social share image in Squarespace.